Hello students, welcome to e-learning. Today we are going to learn subject English lesson number 5, the story of Sindbad the Sailor. The story of Sindbad and his 7 fantastic voyages appears in the huge collection of stories, the Book of 1001 Nights or the Arabian Nights. If you want to read the stories of Sindbad and his fantastic voyages, you can read from these books. Let us learn. The story tells us that Sindbad was a famous sailor. Sailor means a person who works on a boat or ship who lived in Baghdad. Baghdad is the capital of Iraq. Sindbad was honest, generous, and brave. These were the qualities of Sindbad. He had many adventures on each of his voyages. Voyages means a long journey traveled by sea. He never lost heart and hope in dangerous situations. He overcame great dangers and returned home safely from each of his voyages. Here's the story of his first voyage. In third standard, only Sindbad's first voyage story is given. So let us learn. The first voyage. Sindbad set sail with a company of merchants on a big ship. Merchant means a person or company engaged in the business of selling or trading goods. From time to time, they stopped at various ports. There, they sold their merchandise and bought new things to trade. Merchandise means goods or things for sale, and trade means give in return for something sell. It means like import and export. One day, when their ship was sailing smoothly across the sea, they spotted a small island. Do you know island? Yes, island means a land surrounded by water from all sides. They had not seen land for many days and felt both surprised and happy to see the island. Look at the picture. You can see island which is surrounded by water from all sides. They sailed close to the island. The captain of the ship allowed them to go there for a picnic. So all people went to island for a picnic. Everyone was excited. Excited means very happy on the island. They strolled around. Strolled means walked here and there, sang and danced. Everyone was very happy to see the island. They walked here and there, they sang and danced on the island. Some people began to wash clothes, some lit fires to cook meals. Whatever they want to do, they were doing on that island. Soon a breeze sprang up. Sprang up means began to blow suddenly. The fires began to blaze. Blaze means burn strongly. Suddenly the land began to shake and move. With a shock, the picnic party realized that the island was not an island at all because the island was shaking and moving. They were on the back of a huge sea monster and it had started moving. Means the island was not a real island. Actually, it was a huge sea monster and it had started moving. When they realized that the island was not an island, it was a huge sea monster, people began to scream. They left their pots and pans, their clothes, both washed and unwashed, and rushed back to the ship. The captain ordered his men to set sail immediately in order to move away from the monster. The sea monster plunged deep into the sea. Plunge means jump or dive quickly and energetically. Many of the people managed to climb aboard the ship. Aboard means to catch the ship. But many sank into the sea with so-called island. Sindbad alone did not drown in the sea, but he could not reach the ship. Look at the picture. Sindbad was trying to reach the ship, but he could not reach the ship. He saw it sailing far away. He was now at the mercy of the waves. At the mercy of means to be unable to protect oneself from something. Being tossed here and there. Tossed means move from side to side or up and down. He clung to a piece of wood. Clung means hold on tightly and somehow managed to keep afloat. Afloat means floating. And he spent night alone at sea. Look at the picture. How Sindbad being tossed here and there at the mercy of the waves, and he was trying to save himself and somehow managed to keep floating and spend the night alone at sea. Children, if you want to know what happened to Sindbad afterwards, you have to wait for next session. Remaining story we will learn in next session. Now let us learn hard words. 1. Sindbad. 2. Voyages. 3. Merchandise. 4. Island. 5. Captain. 6. Stroll. 7. Sea monster. 8. Muster. 9. Grooms. 10. Quay. 11. Cargo. 12. Generous. Let us learn meanings of some words. 1. Merchandise means goods or things for sale. 2. Trade. Trade means give in return for something, sell. 3. Strolled. Strolled means walked here and there. 4. Inland. Inland means towards an area of land away from the seashore. 5. Grooms. Grooms means persons who take care of horses. 6. Cargo. Load of goods or things carried in a ship. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you.